Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with over 20 engineering technology programs across the state of Florida. Today, we're taking you inside Central Florida College, centrally located in Ocala, one of Florida's fastest growing distribution and manufacturing hubs, where you can see real-world training that prepares you for in-demand careers in advanced manufacturing, robotics, electronics, and many more.
Well, I'm Sam Ajlani. I'm an associate professor and program manager for the College of Central Florida's Engineering Technology program. I would say about 85 to 90% of my students are already working. So they either get a job coming in, or once they're in, there's companies coming looking for them and hiring them out as fast as we can get them in, really. We went out into the field to build those bridges with manufacturing. We started seeing robots everywhere. We became what we call a FAST center, FNUC Authorized Satellite Training Center. And then we can train just like FNUC can. What we're looking at with this is we want to develop our programs and modernize them, keep them as modern and up to date as we can. Programs are quality specialization under engineering technology. It's going to be the quality specialization, the advanced manufacturing, the electronics, and then supply chain technician. Those are the four specializations. The problem we're running into in industry is there's just no available workers that have the high skill sets that they need, and even just basic workers. And so the robots are taking the place of mundane, routine things like picking a box up and moving it from one spot to another, or maybe doing stamping or something simple. They can easily handle that. And so they're instead of hiring someone, some companies are choosing to automate, and robotics is a part of that. The newest one, which started fall of 24, is our supply chain technician program. Now you would say, why do you need that? Well, about 4 or 5 years ago, Ocala became a dry port hub, or a hub is a location which is centralized to distribution. Just so happens, College of Central Florida is very close to I-95, and we're right off of 75 and I-10, the three major arteries that run through Florida. We're now the new Central Florida. That's when everything exploded in Ocala as far as distribution and warehousing. So it's huge. They use robots, they use everything that we're teaching here at the college.
If you live near Levy, Citrus, or Marion counties and want to learn more on how to get your career in engineering technology kicked off, visit cf.edu/engineering technology. And to learn more about engineering technology education and manufacturing in Florida, visit flate.org. Thank you for joining us today.